Angie Maxwell, Doctor of Physical Therapy. My friend Kaylee here, who is 7 months pregnant, is here to help us as a model. And today we're going to talk about everyone's favorite thing, which is vacuuming. And this is a complaint I hear a lot from my patients, that vacuuming is just killer, kills my back, I don't want to do it. So I'm going to give you a couple of quick tips to help you with that. So one thing with the vacuum, most of us tend to reach out too far with the vacuum. So we are bending over in our low backs, and we're kind of doing all these, weird angles. And that, again, as we know, whenever you bend over, you're going to get the weight of the belly. It's going to put a lot of stress to that low back. And then if you have any sort of movement like this, torsion, you're going to be irritating your SI joints, your sacroiliac joints back here, or your low back. So what we recommend with pregnancy is doing more of we call it the mowing the lawn technique. So you're basically going to go ahead and just kind of follow your vacuum along, and then turn, and you're just sort of following your vacuum, pushing it ahead of you like you're mowing the lawn. So I'm going to have Haley go ahead and try that. See how she's moving, and then she's just going to flip. And just like she's mowing the lawn, very systematically vacuuming her living room. And then another technique that we like to do is, if you're getting in those corners, instead of bending way out, is to do more of a lunge. So Kaylee's demonstrating that for us. And it lets you get into those places that maybe are a little bit harder, but we're still keeping that pelvis nice and symmetrical. We're not bending over, stressing out the low back. So there's just a few quick tips that might help you with your vacuuming. The other thing I would say is, pace yourself, right? You're not the same as you were, prior to your pregnancy. You're pregnant now. So you want to maybe vacuum the living room, then go sit down, put your feet up, have a glass of tea, and then decide to go vacuum the kids' room. So just pace yourself. Don't try to, spend an hour and a half vacuuming the whole house and kind of stressing out your body. Just one room at a time, and do a little rest break in between. So hopefully that's helpful, just some tips with vacuuming.